Hello guys, RPM Designs. I'm trying to make an attempt into replacing the battery of the Sony Sony WF1000xm4. I bought the replacements already with the Sony Power batteries. It's right. I'll show you in a minute, but maybe you can read it. No. Doesn't matter. It's the same exact battery as in its original, as was in original. Wait, what? That was already in. I don't know. They came out of the factory with the Zenny power battery. Let me put it like that. Languages are difficult. I speak 4 languages, so it's a bit difficult to switch anyway. But anyway, okay. So what you need to do is apply a little heat amongst the seam here, so to make the adhesive a little bit warm. And I do that with, can I film that? Let me check in a minute. Yes, I can. With this thing. So apply a little bit of heat. I try to, but it's hard because it's like very hot, you know. But I can, maybe if I hold it in my hand like this. Okay, I have the small nozzle on there. This thing is really hot. It's already warm. So what I do is hold it like this, and then just turn around a little bit. Only for a little bit. Like wait until it's a little bit warmer, and you do like this. No need for a long term because this thing already is pretty hard. So this is all. Maybe a little bit more. Just around the seam approximately. And it's already warm, so this is working better than I thought. Okay, now I grab pliers because I don't have another thing to do it. But be very careful with applying pressure. You know, so this is how I did it. Just a little bit until it cracks. See? There's the crack. And then put this thing. Is there? Oh yes. One side is thicker than the other, so then apply a little. It's what you do to you just pry it open like this. This is working better than I thought, actually. There it goes. Try to do my best to film everything, but it's a little difficult. Ah, there it is. That's how easy it is. Nice, I love it. Oh, I already did one, by the way, so don't mind the glue. I will scrape that off later. See, this is how it looks like after. I mean, if it works, right? So, you know, I can just polish this away, see? Okay, so this one is open. Then what you need to do, and this kit, okay, yes, there's like this tool, there's a pry, okay, wait, there's like a prying tool, like this. There's, well, this is kind of useless, but yeah, well, not useless, but it's not very strong. But yeah, it can use it a little bit. And there are 2 screwdrivers. I don't know for what, because I don't need a screwdriver here, maybe with something else. It's always handy to have. And of course this handy pry tool. This pry tool is very nice. You can use it for other things as well. Oh, and another thing is very cool. It's this razor blade with a holding thingy. I don't know what it is, what it's called, but you can just, there is like glue on the battery, and you can just you know, scrape it off the battery because you want the adhesive on the motherboard thingy. So we'll take this thing off. This is very easy. Like, you hold it underneath and wiggle a little bit, and there, and there it pops off. So easy. But so easy it is. Now, oh, sorry. This is a little bit trickier because this is very small. But I will try to just open this thing is not very hard. And pulling this thing out should also be not that hard. But you need to be a little bit careful. See, there it pops. And underneath there, yeah, I'm filming this with my camera phone, so that's why it's a little inconvenient. So there is, in between, like there, is adhesive between the motherboard or the circuit or whatever to the battery. So I'm going to apply a little bit more heat. Not much, only a little bit. Very little bit. So the adhesive gets a little warm and it's easy to repair. Or like there now. That's it. Now try to pry it open. I'm gonna do that with the razor. I need a little bit more light. Because with the razor, I can maybe have the adhesive still attached. I can scrape it off the battery and it is still attached to the mother circuit board thing. Oh, that's not that bad. You don't need all adhesive. Here, see, there's a little bit adhesive there. It's okay, it's no issue. Okay, now we're gonna look if we can actually take out the battery. On the other one, it was very, yeah, there too a little bit, I think. I don't know if that's glue. Oh, this thing can actually focus. There, oh, there, you see, there's, I don't know if that's a little bit glue or whatever. We're gonna try it anyway. But the other one, you had to use a little bit of force. So we're gonna do the same thing here. There it is. Oh yeah, there's a little bit adhesive. And also, there's a little magnet. That little thing, there's a magnet there. And see, there's a little bit adhesive. I don't need it, but yeah. But look here, I'm gonna show you. Sony Power, it's the same one. So we're gonna take this little bit adhesive off. Well, let's why I'm lazy. Why take it out? Okay, so I'm gonna get the little battery. If I can get this freaking bag open. It's one of these bags, you know. And I can the other one in because it's broken. And look at this, Sony Power. It's the exact same battery. Okay, It's the, yeah, it should be here, I think. Yeah. So it drops right in. See, you hear the click. I always clean these things as well, these edges here. Oh, sorry. Like the edges here a little bit, make them a little bit clean. So, maybe I could use alcohol to clean everything, but that's really a little dramatic in my opinion. Yeah, it will stay in. This is actually pretty simple. See, let the adhesive attach, and it attaches and it stays, so that's very nice. This tweezers is not really. It's not very good. Plastic crap. It doesn't even wanna. There's adhesive underneath it, so I take it off, something like that, to make it a little bit more easy to put it in. And there you go. And you press with a lever down. And then press that thing down, and that's it. This is very easy. Now with this one, it's also very easy. Just see, align. Just align it a little bit, and then press onto it a little. Take a little snap. Well, this one doesn't snap, but it's on there. Then I do a little pre-fit, and it fits. And then I put some glue, and that's all you have to do. It rhymes, and it's the truth. Well, I hope this works, because this will be the easiest repair in the history of repairs. Well, maybe not, but the cleaner it is, the better it is, I guess. But okay, let's put on some glue. You just put it on the edge. This is E800 glue, 8000 clear. I don't know. It was in the package. And then you just put a little bit on the edge. I probably put too much on it, but it's fine. And now you just snap it in place. And it comes with these little rubber bands, which is also cool because I don't know for how long, some say 24 hours, 48 hours, it has to have a little pressure onto it, so should be advised, it should be good. See, everything is nice and tight. Perfect. Now let's wait. I wait until tomorrow. This one is actually a little better than this one, but meh, it's all good. So yeah, this is it. This is how you do it, guys. Well, thanks for watching, and I will post another video on if it really works, and I cleaned them up a little bit because this is looking horrible, of course, because see, does not look nice. So, bye guys, thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next one.